In this video, I will show you how to accept donations on Wix. In order to do that, head over right here to your apps, click on this app market option, and then after that, it should open the Wix app market for you. So what you can do in this case is to head over and click on the search app option and then search in here for donation. Now in here, just head over and search for that and you should be able to see in here a lot of apps that supports donation. So you can choose in here get funding, donor dude, get donations, and a lot more. Wix also have an integrated donations as well. So you can also choose in here this Wix donation or this get funding according to your liking. So for this one, let's head over and click on this Wix donation. And then after that, just wait for this to load. Click on this add to site option right around here. And then this will prompt you to add this to your website. Click on this go to editor right around here in order to enable it from there. So as you can see right here, it's adding the Wix donations. And now the Wix donation has been added, you can head over and add it to any part of your website. You can resize it right around here and then add it to anywhere. Now you can put in here your donation form title, the frequency that it will take, as well as amount. You can head over and choose campaign or manage your campaign in order to add in here your own donation from your actual dashboard. So once you have created your own campaign, just head over and then choose in here a campaign that you want to display for this one. And then after that, you can head over and then just refresh the site. And as you can see, it's now been added.